Welcome to our exploration of the AI Freedom Launchpad, a revolutionary tool designed to streamline the process of starting an online business. In today's fast paced digital world, many aspiring entrepreneurs find themselves overwhelmed by the sheer volume of information and options available. This video will briefly discuss how the AI Freedom Launchpad aims to solve this problem and provide a clear path to success. The journey of launching an online business is often fraught with challenges. Many individuals find themselves paralyzed by indecision, struggling to maneuver the complicated landscape of digital entrepreneurship. The AI Freedom Launchpad addresses these common pitfalls by offering a structured, step by step approach to building an online business. One of the key features of the AI Freedom Launchpad is its emphasis on clarity and direction. Rather than presenting users with an overwhelming array of options, it provides a focused roadmap tailored to individual needs. This approach eliminates the confusion and analysis paralysis that often hinders progress in the early stages of business development. The platform leverages artificial intelligence to automate many of the time consuming tasks associated with starting an online business. This automation extends to various aspects of the business, including content creation, marketing, and customer interaction. By reducing the manual workload, entrepreneurs can focus their energy on strategic decision making and business growth. A significant advantage of the AI Freedom Launchpad is its accessibility to individuals without extensive technical knowledge. The system is designed to be user friendly, requiring no coding skills or complex technical setups. This democratization of online business tools opens up opportunities for a wider range of aspiring entrepreneurs. The AI Freedom Launchpad also includes a suite of custom AI tools that further enhance productivity. These tools assist with tasks such as script writing, content generation, and image creation. By automating these creative processes, the platform allows users to produce high quality materials efficiently, saving both time and resources. One of the most innovative features of the AI Freedom Launchpad is its digital twin technology. This advanced AI system can be trained to handle various aspects of business operations, from answering customer inquiries to managing leads. This virtual assistant capability provides a level of scalability that was previously unattainable for small business owners. The platform's focus on affiliate marketing is particularly noteworthy. It offers ready to use affiliate marketing funnels, complete with automated email sequences and follow up systems. This turnkey solution allows users to quickly establish a potentially profitable revenue stream with minimal setup time. An interesting aspect of the AI Freedom Launchpad is its viral growth potential. Users have the option to resell the platform, keeping 100% of the profits. This feature not only provides an additional income opportunity, but also contributes to the rapid expansion of the user base. The AI Freedom Launchpad represents a significant shift in how online businesses can be established and operated. By harnessing the power of AI and automation, it offers a streamlined path to digital entrepreneurship. The platform's ability to reduce the learning curve and eliminate many of the traditional barriers to entry in online business makes it a compelling option for those looking to venture into the digital marketplace. In conclusion, the AI Freedom Launchpad presents an innovative approach to launching and managing an online business. Its combination of AI driven tools, step by step guidance, and automation capabilities addresses many of the challenges faced by new entrepreneurs. As the digital landscape continues to evolve, platforms like the AI Freedom Launchpad may well become essential tools for those seeking to establish a successful online presence.